Your Colorado is built tough, but are the factory lights keeping up? Today, we're upgrading the rear turn signal, brake, tail lights, and reverse lights with LEDs. Give your truck a brighter, more modern look.
Well, what do we have here? We have my brand new Chevy Colorado ZR2. And today is the day we're going to be finally getting rid of these old and tired looking incandescent light bulbs. And we'll be replacing them with Lasfit's latest and greatest LED bulbs. So we're going to be replacing the rear turn signal, brake light, and the reverse lights as well. The daytime running lights are LED from the factory, so that's good. But everything else is unfortunately incandescent, and it just makes the truck look older than it really is. Again, this is a brand new truck. Thankfully, the process is fairly simple. You actually just need to remove two T20 screws, so one right here up top and then one right here at the bottom. I already removed the one on the bottom, you can see there. So I'm going to remove the remaining screw, and then we'll pull the tail light out. Already loosened up for me. Now, once you get it out, very simple to pull them out. There are two tabs. So there's two tabs that hold in the tail light. You'll want to pull outward away from the truck, and just be careful. You don't have to apply too much pressure. You don't want to break the tabs. GM is known to have tabs that can break fairly easily. But once you break it loose, then you'll pull back towards you, and it'll come right out. Now, the wiring harness, thankfully it's just one wiring harness, but it is fairly tight. There's not much slack in that wiring harness. You don't want to pull too much on it. You don't want to damage any of the wires or the tail light itself. That would turn into a real bad day. But to remove them, very simple. It's actually, again, we're removing this one up here, the second to the lowest, and then the very bottom one, which is the reverse light. But to remove them is very simple. Thankfully, they don't have a lot of pressure on them. They don't require a lot of force to get them removed. You just have to turn them counterclockwise. So you'll grab it here, turn it counterclockwise, and it pulls right out. You can see the old incandescent there. Thankfully, again, doesn't require too much pressure to get them removed. The LED. The Lasfit actually has fans, and these built-in fans right here to keep them cool, which is fantastic. They are, again, their latest and greatest. And just insert, you'll turn it clockwise, you'll hear it kind of snap in place. And this guy down here, again, counterclockwise, pull out. Right in. Clockwise. Here. Now there isn't too much slack on the wiring harness, so especially for the reverse tail light, the Lasfit LED bulbs are slightly longer than the incandescent ones. So for the reverse one, when you pull it out, you can see here that the wiring harness sits in this little wiring harness holder. You can pull that out. It gives you a little bit more slack, and it pushes right back in. Again, just don't pull too hard. It is a plastic screw that holds it in place, but you can take a pair of pliers, or you might even be able to do it just with your hand and pull that guy out. Just give you a little bit more slack, because you'll see that when you pull the incandescent and grab one of the LED is taller, and to angle it in there the way it is, it's a pretty tight pretty tight fit because the wiring harness is not giving you much slack. But once you get that wiring harness loose, it makes it much more easy. Again, same process, push that in, turn clockwise to lock it in place, and there you go. We have all three replaced, it takes no time at all. And then you'll just put the tail light back in. Be mindful that you do have a couple of, again, clips that need to go in, so you have to align it in place. Just make sure when you align it, you press it in snugly. There's no gaps or anything that doesn't look correct. It'll sit just like on the opposite end of the truck. And then we'll put our T20s back in. But once you have it snapped back into place, again, just replace the T20s. You have one down here, as we mentioned before, on the lower end, and then one up above, right here. All right, this is daytime, but we'll give you a little side-by-side comparison again. The Lasfit LED bulbs are on the right, incandescents on the left. You can see, look at the difference in the reverse tail light. Significantly brighter, whiter, more clear. They're phenomenal. They perform amazingly well and just make the truck look more modern. Let me lock it back. Let's see. And the difference too is that the incandescent bulbs, they take a lot longer to get to their full brightness and then turn completely off. So especially at night when you have your turn signals on, they're not truly turning off. LED bulbs respond instantaneously, and you can see the Lasfit bulbs go completely dark and then they come back on, much brighter. They just respond more quickly, look more crisp, look a lot more modern. So let's get the other side done. I'll show you the complete product. All right, so we're wrapping up the second side, and just a quick note again, when you're putting back in the tail light, you want to make sure it's all lined up. Try to make sure, again, you've got it seated correctly, and you're just gonna push back and like forward into the truck. You'll hear it snap, just like that, and you'll see again everything will be lined up just like new, and then you'll just replace the two T20s on the side, and that'll get you all back. But 1 second, we'll get them screwed in and I'll show you the final product. All right, we have both sides completed. Again, fairly simple process. You can do this in less than 10 minutes. Now with all the bolts replaced, I'll kind of give you another preview. Look at that. Just so much better. 100% better, looks a lot more cleaner. They respond fantastically. They have, again, the built-in fans, keep them running cool. I've replaced all of my interior lights previously with Lasfit. They have phenomenal products. And actually, let me try the hazards brakes as well. I'll show you. Yeah, just a quick view with the hazards on. Again, love their products. Check them out. Very quick upgrade to do to your truck. And it greatly improves, I think, the look and performance, especially during the daytime. The incandescent bulbs, horrible during the daytime. Sometimes you can hardly see them when the sun's hitting them directly for the brake lights. So I say it's a must-do upgrade, and it really can be done in no time at all. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.